In front of me is DOOGEE Fire 7, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off autocorrection. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Then select System, Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and then Gboard. Finally, select Text Correction and scroll down a tiny bit to use this switcher next to autocorrection. Thanks to it, you can turn it off or switch it on. Quick tip: if you decided you wanna use autocorrection, I would recommend to also try this option called Undo Autocorrect on Backspace, because it's making using autocorrection even better. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!